Jamaica is a premier destination in the Caribbean. Each year, tourists flock to this beautiful island nation to enjoy tropical weather and warm sandy beaches. Known for its laid-back atmosphere, tourists and locals alike enjoy a variety of relaxing activities and fun-filled evenings. In this video, I will share 10 factoids about the land of wood and water.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Starting the list at 1 is the small snake population in the island. There are very few snakes on the island of Jamaica. The mongoose was imported to Jamaica to rid the cane fields of rats and other insects in 1872. As an added benefit, the mongoose has killed off almost the entire population of snakes, so running across a snake is a rare occurrence in Jamaica. At 2 is the many foreign crops grown in Jamaica. The original inhabitants of Jamaica, the Taínos, grew corn and yams. Today, the major crops of Jamaica include sugarcane, bananas and mangoes. None of these crops are native to the island. They were imported to the island at varying times in the island's history. Coconut palms, breadfruit and bamboo are among the list of other crops brought to the island. At 3 is Jamaica's love for rum. Rum is the national drink of Jamaica. Here, rum is mixed with just about any other beverage. Try rum and coconut water for a very special island drink. At number 4 is Jamaica's relationship with Bond. Yes, James Bond. British writer Ian Fleming is famous for his 007 James Bond character. After designing his dream home, Ian Fleming chose to have it built in Jamaica and name it GoldenEye. In Jamaica, he wrote 10 of his world-renowned James Bond spy thrillers. At number 5 is a show of Jamaica's ability to defy the odds. In 1988, Jamaica became the first tropical country to enter a Winter Olympic event. It was the bobsled event. The movie Cool Runnings tells the story of Jamaica's first foray into the Winter Olympics. At number 6 is Jamaica's national dish. The national dish of Jamaica is ackee and saltfish. Many Jamaicans eat it as a breakfast dish. However, some will eat it any day, anytime, anywhere, anyhow. Ackee is a fruit that grows locally. The dish is served with anything really, but dumplings that are either fried or boiled is a favorite, along with roast breadfruit. At number 7 is Jamaica's flag in the scheme of things. Jamaica is one of only 2 countries in the world that has no colors in common with the flag of the United States of America. The other country is Mauritania, which has green and yellow. Libya used to have a solid green flag, but has since changed it to include red and white. The Jamaican flag is green, black and gold. The 2 gold stripes intersect in an X, with green filling in the top and bottom and black on either sides. At number 8 is a show of Jamaica's innovativeness. Jamaica was the first country in the Western Hemisphere to build a railroad. It was built a mere 18 years after the Britain built theirs. AT&T copied Jamaica's telephone system because it was so well developed. In 1994, Jamaica became the first Caribbean nation to launch its own website. At number 9, we sing the blues with the Blue Mountains. These stunning Blue Mountains in Jamaica are named for the mist that covers them. From a distance, the mist appears blue, a beautiful blue. At number 10, there are orchids everywhere. Over 200 species of orchids grow wild on the island of Jamaica. 73 of those species are unique to the island. There are 1,000 species of trees and 500 species of ferns. Jamaica is the best place to see wild fauna and flora.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.